Hey everybody, this is my Robbins & Myers list number D12A6-01, and this fan is a recent acquisition. Now, if it looks familiar to you, this is because it was presented here on YouTube by Harley on Spats channel recently. And Spats and Harley were kind enough to send me this fan after I lost a similar model in the wildfires of last year. So for that, guys, I really do appreciate this. Thank you so much. And guys, check out Spats and Harley's channel. I'm going to post a link to it below. At any rate, about the fan now. This is a model that was made in the mid to late 1930s. And collectors call it the double diamond fan just because of the grille design. It's very Art Deco looking. It's also called the Zeppelin fan, as you'll probably see why in the detail shots of it. So what we'll do now is take you to some of those detail shots, and then we'll give a bit of a demonstration of this fan. You can see the cage medallion here, along with the data plate under the base. In a side view, I will need to replace the head wire on this. And what we'll do is move up to these ridge lines here. These little styling lines are a really nice aspect of this fan. Here's the back view. You can see more of those stylistic ridge lines. And the switch. This is a really nice stamp switch. Before we demonstrate this fan, I'm going to show you why it won't oscillate. I think it's basically just missing a screw in the bell crank mechanism that comes out of the gearbox output. So anyway, we'll start off on high speed. And yes, this is high speed. It is amazing how quiet this fan runs and the amount of air that it puts out on this setting. And we'll bring it down to medium now. And this speed is even quieter, yet the airflow is still immense. And that is because of the extreme blade pitch that this fan has. It was a feature of fans back in this day. And we'll move it down to low. And this speed is nearly silent. It's very much like the fan that I used to have, which you can see in my video library. And we'll bring it back up to high speed. And shut it off to show coast down. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this classically styled Robbins & Myers from the 1930s. Thank you for watching, and of course, we will have more to come. So please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.